Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I'll be telling you guys how teenagers can clear their acne or pimple marks or pimple or anything with very little bit of skincare. I know teenagers can't use more of a skincare. That's why you guys, whatever I have used during my time, I'll just suggest you guys whatever my cousins have used. I can suggest you guys that which have worked for them, which have worked for me. So guys, not all products works for everyone. You have to be experimenting with the products, so whichever suits your skin, whichever is clearing your skin, that's when you have to stop just trying out other products and just stick to that one product. That's what I did. And teenagers, please don't be, I know at that point of time you feel really very bad due to acne and all, so please don't feel bad. Everyone will go through that phase. I'll show you my pic when I was in teenage and how my skin was, and now you can see how my skin is. It's just a time phase, you guys. Later it will be fine. By the way, you guys, if you wanna know how I created this look, please do check out my IGTV. I've leave the link in the description box. I have just uploaded a video there. Not all products will suit everyone, so whatever the products I say, it will be natural, you guys. And I can understand you guys can't use more of a product, but whatever I say, it is really very natural. And be experimenting with that products, whatever the products you like or whatever the products will suit you, just stick to that until your pimple gets clear, or till whenever you feel like, okay fine, now my pimple is getting little bit better, I can use some other product. Until that time you can just stick to the product. So my first and foremost product is coconut oil, you guys. I know in lot of research they say coconut oil is comedogenic and it just blocks your pores or anything, but you guys, I don't know all those things, but it has worked for me best. Okay, even for my pimple, even for my acne marks, or all those marks which you get after your acne, it has worked best for me. Not only for me, I think even from one of my cousin it has worked. One or two of my cousins, when I suggested them, they also have tried and it has worked for them also. Before that I used to try many things, you guys, but nothing worked on my face. I tried a lot of face wash, not moisturizer. I cannot, at that time I wasn't knowing about moisturizer, serum or anything. At that time YouTube was also not that much into the thing, but I used lot of natural ingredients, but nothing worked. At last, I think my grandmother or my mother told me to use coconut oil, and I used coconut oil every night. Sometimes I used to never used to wash my face also, but I suggest you guys to wash your face and later just use your coconut oil and just sleep. Massage it really well, just massage it like this, and just massage really well everywhere and leave it to overnight. That have helped me really well. I just used it for 2 years straight. I think nothing happened to me. Even my cousin, nothing had happened to him. And one more thing, please don't use lemon directly on your face. I've seen, and I have used also, I've seen my cousins also just applying lemon directly, but that doesn't work. You are just ruining your skin. Lemon has really strong acid. If you want to use, you can just dilute it with your some of the oils, almond oil, coconut oil or something like that, or else you can dilute with your moisturizer also, but please don't use it directly, it will harm your skin. You can use this pudina mint leaves. Okay, just crush the mint leaves, apply it and leave it for 15 minutes. That has worked my cousin. One face pack I can suggest you guys is use gram flour, turmeric and sandalwood powder, mix it with water if you have oily skin, or rose water, or if you have dry skin, mix it with a milk, apply it to your face and leave it for 15 minutes and just wash your face. And also add multani milti to it, it works best for oily skin. And also you can use this powder as your face wash every day. Just take 1 spoon of it, just mix it with water, just apply it on your face for 1 minute, just scrub it and just wash it away. You can use that as your face wash also, that also works. And you can use this face wash every day in the morning and in the night. You can also use Himalaya neem face wash, that works amazing. You can also use Kaya's anti-acne face wash. I'll leave all the face wash in the description box, so you can just check it out. You can use that also, that works amazing. That has salicylic acid, that works for acne, you guys. That is really good for acne, that clears out your acne. If you want, you can use toner, or else you can just skip it out, you can just use rose water. If you don't want, it's okay for teenager, it's nothing matter. And later you can use a very light moisturizer, like I can say Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, Points Lightweight Moisturizer. Also you can use little bit of neem oil in coconut oil and just mix it with it and you apply it during night. One more thing guys, I've seen many of the people plucking your pimple, poking your pimple. Please don't do that, please 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 don't do all those things. You can just try these things out, you guys, it will work for you. I've just suggested a very few, so that you guys don't get confused. Whatever it is, but whichever works best for me, I have suggested you guys that. Please do try and let me know how it worked on you guys also. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please do like this video and press that bell icon button next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, please do share this video as much as you can possible, and also please stay safe. Bye bye.